Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best coffee table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture in your living room, serving as a central hub for everything from morning coffee and late-night snacks to board games and remote controls. It's a functional surface that can tie a room together, but with so many styles, materials, and sizes available, choosing the perfect one can feel overwhelming. This guide will help you navigate the options to find a coffee table that not only looks great but also enhances your daily life and complements your existing decor seamlessly. Number 5. iClimb Mini Solo Folding Table. Weighing only 10 ounces, this table is incredibly light, perfect for those who meticulously manage every ounce of their gear. Crafted with a hollowed aluminum alloy tabletop and strong stainless steel legs, it offers lifelong durability and supports up to 33 pounds. When packed, it's small enough to fit easily into your backpack, making it ideal for carrying anywhere. It's perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities, providing a stable surface for your essentials. This table is flame and heat resistant, providing a safe platform for your stove and preventing spills on uneven ground. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring just a few simple steps to create a convenient surface. We stand behind our product with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like? This table is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 10 ounces, making it perfect for those who prioritize minimal weight in their gear. Its compact size when packed and included carry bag make it exceptionally portable. If you are a serious backpacker, hiker, or camper who needs a reliable surface for your essentials without adding significant bulk, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lift top feature is very convenient for working or eating. It has a hidden storage compartment that is surprisingly spacious. The modern design fits well with my living room decor. Number 4. Tribesigns 35.4-inch LED Coffee Table. Enhance your living space with this spacious coffee table, perfect for drinks, snacks, and decor. Its integrated LED lighting sets the perfect mood for any occasion. This piece blends clean lines with a rustic wood grain finish and a sleek black frame. It offers a balanced, understated design that complements any decor. Crafted from high-quality engineered wood, this table is incredibly durable and can support over 300 pounds. It's a versatile addition that brings rustic farmhouse style. The smooth, water-resistant surface makes cleaning a breeze. Keep this beautiful table looking its best with minimal effort for years to come. Assembly is straightforward with our detailed instructions. We stand by our quality and offer friendly customer service, so you can buy with confidence. What we like? This coffee table offers a generous surface area and features integrated LED lighting to create a cozy ambience. Its rustic industrial design adds a stylish touch to your living space. If you're looking to enhance your living room's atmosphere for movie nights or gatherings and need ample space for drinks and decor, this table is a fantastic option. What people say. Easy to assemble. Had it for a little over a year. Under light use, no chips or damages to it. The major design flaw is remedied in my 2 other photos. Take a drill with a 1/2-inch drill bit and just run the USB cable through the vertical board so you don't have it dangling out there as a dumb, ill-advised trip hazard. I like that the table is sturdy and lightweight. I also like that the size of the table is big enough especially for the price, and I like that the color blends in with everything. Number 3. VASAGLE LIRY Collection Farmhouse Coffee Table. Introducing a coffee table that blends rustic charm with modern farmhouse style. Its honey brown finish and barn door design add a refined touch to any living space. Enjoy convenient access with its secure flip-top lids that stay open at any angle. Designed with your safety in mind, it features chamfered corners to prevent accidental bumps. Keep your living room tidy with its spacious hidden storage compartment. It's perfect for stowing away blankets, books, and other essentials, maintaining a neat appearance. The large tabletop offers ample room for snacks, drinks, books, and decorative items. It's ideal for both daily use and entertaining guests. Crafted from sturdy particle board and MDF, this coffee table is built for stability and durability. It's designed to withstand everyday use in your home. What we like? This coffee table boasts a spacious hidden storage compartment, perfect for stowing away blankets, books, or other living room essentials. The secure flip-top lids provide easy access to the storage. If you desire a tidy living room and appreciate the charm of farmhouse design with practical, concealed storage, this table is ideal for you. What people say. The built-in storage is a huge bonus. It's perfect for storing blankets, books, and other everyday items, helping keep the space neat without sacrificing style. The tabletop is spacious and solid, making it great for decor, drinks, or casual meals. The doors that lift stay open, they do not slam down to smash fingers. Great design feature for those with small kids. The inside of this table can hold several large comforters and throws, and the top does not scratch easily. Number 2. VASAGLE Boho Style Coffee Table ULCT 240Y57. Bring a touch of bohemian charm to your home with this coffee table. Its natural textures and earthy tones create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, making it a beautiful statement piece for any room. Crafted with a sturdy MDF tabletop and a durable rattan shelf, this table is built to last. It can confidently support your books, decorations, and everyday essentials, offering reliable functionality. This elegant table is more than just a living room centerpiece. Its adaptable design makes it perfect for your office, bedroom, or guest room, effortlessly blending style and utility wherever you place it. Setting up this coffee table is a breeze. With clear instructions and labeled parts, you'll have it assembled in no time, ready to be enjoyed. Designed for your convenience, its easy-to-clean surface saves you time on maintenance. Plus, the rounded corners ensure added safety, preventing accidental bumps. What we like. This coffee table embraces a bohemian aesthetic with its light earthy hue and refined PVC rattan shelf, bringing a natural and textured feel to your space. It's also highly versatile, suitable for various rooms beyond the living room. If you're aiming to infuse your home with a relaxed, nature-inspired vibe and need a stylish, adaptable piece, this table is a great fit. What people say. The quality of this table took me by surprise. It's easy to clean. The color of the table is exactly what I was looking for. It's very well constructed and I love the quality. I like that there's a bit of weight to it. It's a tad bit heavy, which I love, that way it doesn't shift easily, if you bump into it. The tabletop is solid wood with a beautiful design. The other is that the lower level is rattan. Its size and width make it easily accessible to reach for whatever's on it, irrespective of one's seating location. The style of this coffee table is beautiful. Sturdiness is great. It was easy to build and is very sturdy. It's the perfect size for my couch and room. Number 1. Modway Transmit Mid-Century Coffee Table in Walnut White. Bring a touch of mid-century intrigue to your living room with its organic aesthetic, rounded corners, and flared profile. This piece is designed to transform your home decor with its retro modern charm. It sits atop elegant tapered legs and features a sturdy frame with a beautiful walnut grain laminate finish. The white lacquer drawer offers convenient concealed storage. This coffee table is ideal for various spaces, from living rooms to meeting areas. It's perfect for displaying your favorite books and magazines or serving beverages and snacks. Keep your living space tidy with its open storage and a smooth glide drawer. It's perfect for organizing reading materials and remotes, especially in smaller homes. Measuring 47 inches in length, 23 inches in width, and 15 inches in height, this sophisticated coffee table complements a variety of contemporary and modern home decors. What we like. This coffee table features a captivating mid-century modern design with clean lines and an organic aesthetic, complemented by a convenient glide drawer for concealed storage. It's ideal for displaying items or hosting beverages. If you appreciate retro-modern style and need a functional piece that helps maintain a clutter-free living space, this table is a superb choice. What people say. The style is great. The assembly was easy and fast at approximately a very slow-paced 1 hour. The table is sturdy. The coffee table is the same on the front and the back, and I thought that was nice. It also has good room for storage between the 2 shelves and 2 drawers. It's solid and heavy, doesn't feel or look cheap. Assembly was easy. Great mid-century look, and I love having the drawers to tuck things away, reducing clutter whilst still having handy the 1.5 million remote controls we seem to have these days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.